Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but
Destiny. Guten Morgen, wie geht es Ihnen? Today is a beautiful day. Alyssa here, you're welcome. Today is a beautiful day, guys. This is holiday season, so you're gonna spend the day with me and my kids. This is the holiday period, okay? Yesterday, I didn't do my night routine yesterday because yesterday was like, what did I do? Yes, after preparing lunch for my kids, I have to go straight to my business to attend to some business calls and messages. Like after that, I didn't enter this kitchen again, except when I came to make dinner for my husband. So I didn't come back to do my kitchen nighttime routine. I have kitchen nighttime routine. I didn't come in there again. So that is it. Doing nighttime routine helps me very, very well. It saves me a lot of stress in the morning. Like, if I didn't have done all these things, waking up this morning, I would just go straight to making breakfast. But all of them, Divine Grace, Destiny. Bring out the waffle maker because.
Mommy,
What's the measuring cup? make your two cups of milk. What if I want to do? Even when you don't want to do it. How's it? Which flavor of fruit? Flavor, banana flavor. Cinnamon. Banana. I like vanilla flavor. Vanilla flavor is my favorite flavor of all flavors. Really nice cream. But I didn't know what my kids see in cinnamon. I don't like it. I don't like cinnamon. Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
Eat it together, then they crack it up with me.
Let's see. You buy let's
Crack it up with me.
Oh, see that man crack it down.
Ọkọ dị ebe a nọ na there. Ọkọ dị ebe.
Teenage soup. Oh, so big. Mommy, I got me. Mommy, I got
Okay. My what food is still on, so I'm trying to. I watched yesterday with the kids, so we'll be watching. There again, kind of energy of the people love. You get me? So let me just what else is there? Do some other thing. Destiny, Divine Grace, food is ready.
No.